Hi friends! Today we're going to explore 26 amazing electric tools. These tools can build, fix, clean, and even create cool things. Ready? Let's go! This is an electric drill. The drill spins super fast to make holes in wood, metal, or walls. This is a cordless screwdriver. This tool twists screws in and out with just a button. This is a jigsaw. It cuts wiggly shapes in wood or plastic with a tiny moving blade. This is a circular saw. A round spinning blade that slices wood in straight lines. This is an angle grinder. It can cut, polish, or grind metal and stone. This is an electric sander. Makes rough wood super smooth by rubbing really fast. This is a rotary tool, Dremel, a small but mighty tool for carving, sanding, or polishing. This is a reciprocating saw, cuts wooden pipes with a back and forth motion. This is an electric chainsaw. With a chain blade, it cuts trees and logs. This is an electric hedge trimmer. Snip, snip! It shapes bushes into neat forms. This is an impact driver. Drives tough screws with extra power. This is a nail gun. Shoots nails quickly into wood, faster than a hammer. This is an electric stapler. Staples paper or fabric in one click. This is a hot glue gun. Melts glue sticks so things can stick together fast. This is a heat gun. Blows hot air, like a super hairdryer, for melting or bending plastic. This is an electric paint sprayer. Sprays paint evenly, like a magic paintbrush. This is an electric caulking gun. Pushes out good to fill cracks and gaps. This is a cordless wrench. Loosens or tightens nuts and bolts with power. This is an electric pipe cutter. Cuts pipes clean and straight, no saw needed. This is a laser level. Shoots a straight line of light to help build things straight. This is a power washer. Sprays water so strong it blasts dirt away. This is an electric leaf blower. Pushes leaves into piles with a strong gust. This is a cordless lawn mower. Cuts grass neatly with spinning blades. This is an electric weed trimmer. Chops tall grass and weeds around the yard. This is a snowblower. Shoots snow out of the way to clear paths. This is an electric engraver. Carves cool designs into wood, glass, or metal. Which tool was your favorite? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.